Hello, my good learners. How are you today? Mwalimu John is here for today's lesson. We are going to continue with the concept of algebra and its application. You'll realize that this knowledge of algebra is used in different topics in mathematics. For example, today I want just to touch on how it can be used to solve questions to do with angles of a triangle or perimeter of a triangle. In the next lesson, we shall do applications of algebra in quadrilaterals. For us today, I want us to use one question of algebra to remind ourselves how we can solve it. Then I bring the two questions on triangles and see how can we use this knowledge of algebra to solve the questions of triangles, that is the angles and the perimeter. Now, if you look at this question, we have 3p minus 2 in bracket, p plus 1, close the bracket, is equal to 4. Now, if you look at this question, we can start by working on the bracket. So this 3p will remain, this 3p will remain. Then we open this bracket here, because also in the knowledge of BODMAS that we've done, remember, we have to start with the bracket, B for bracket. So to open this letter P is a positive number. So to solve it, we multiply this negative number, negative 2, by positive P. And a negative number times positive number, we shall get a negative number. 2 times P, we get 2P. Again, we are going to multiply negative 2 and positive 1, which is negative times positive, you get negative. 2 times 1, you get 2, equal to 4. Next step is to collect the like terms. Put the knowns together and unknowns together. So we have only two terms here, the knowns and the unknowns. So the unknowns are the p's. I will put 3p and negative 2p to the left. Then I will take this. I will take this known to this, which will now be the plus 2 here. So I will have my equal sign here. Then I have 4 plus 2. Now 3p minus 2p, you'll remain with just p. Then 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And that's how you will get your tick. So with this knowledge here of how to use group the known together and unknown together, you can also realize that how we play with these signs. I had taught these ones when I was introducing algebra. So how to play with the signs, go back to the introduction of algebra, you'll get to know how to work with these signs, where we say if you multiply or divide same signs, that is negative and negative number or positive number and positive number, your answer will be always be positive. If you multiply or divide different signs, that is a negative number by a positive number, your answer will always be negative. Go back to our lesson of introduction to algebra, you'll get that concept there. Now, let's see how we can apply this knowledge in some areas. If at all you are given an equilateral triangle, if you are given an equilateral triangle, you are given an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has all sides equal. An equilateral triangle has all sides equal. So we shall have both sides named. For example, we have this one side to be 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2 meters. Then this side we can give like 2x plus 5. Are you here, my learners? Then this side we can give as 4x minus 1 meters. See, there's one thing here. I've said that this type of a triangle is an equilateral triangle. That's where the idea is, meaning all sides are equal. Look, if this side is equal to that side and also equal to that side, I can pick any of the two, I can pick any two sides to help us get the value of x. Then finally answer the question of perimeter, because we are asked find the perimeter. Find the perimeter, the perimeter of the triangle above. Good. So the idea is pick one side. I can pick this one. I can pick 3x plus 2 is equal to, we have said all sides are equal. I can pick with maybe this one here is equal to 2x plus 5. Look at that. Math is very easy, always easy. So if you're given such a question, you can just now go back to the knowledge of algebra, collect the like terms, put the knowns together, then the unknowns together. For example, I can have my unknowns to the left, 3x, this plus 2x, I'll bring it this side, I will have it as minus 2x. Then equal sign, this plus 2 known, take it together to be with a known here. It will be minus 2. So I have 5 minus 2. Yeah, now work it out. 3x minus 2x, you'll remain with x. 5 minus 2, you'll get 3. So the value of x is 3. But that is not the answer. What now you need to do, go back and substitute. The next step is to substitute. where we have x, we put 3. Now here you are told that 2x plus 5 here, 2x, x is 3. So 2x is the same as 2 times x, which is 3. And that one will give you 6. Let's see. We have 2x here plus, sorry, this is 2x, this is 2x plus 5, which is the same as 2 times 3, which is the x, then you add 5. So you'll have, this one is 6 plus 5. This one will give you 11. So this side here, we can write 11 meters. Let's see. This one is 4x, which is 4 times 3. X is 3. Then subtract 1. So we have 4 times 3 is 12. Take away 1, you'll get 11. So you can see this side is 11, this 11 meters, this side is also 11 meters. Good. This one also, you can solve it. 3x, which is 3 times 3. Then add 2. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 2, you'll get 11. You can see now. This side is also 11 meters. So we have proven it. Now the question is find the perimeter. So the perimeter of a triangle, perimeter is always A plus B plus C. A, B, and C are the three sides. So this is 11 meters plus 11 meters plus 11 meters, which will give you 33 meters. Wonderful. Clap for yourself. So look at how the knowledge of algebra can help us to solve questions that sometimes give us headache. Example 2. How can we use the knowledge of algebra now to work out the questions to do with angles and angles of triangles? So let's look at this. A very simple one. A very simple one. My learners, mathematics is always easy. The moment you get the basics, I will advocate for you guys to always concentrate, pay attention to the simple concepts, because it is from the simple concept that we build the complex concept. Actually, don't even call them complex, because the moment you get these concepts right, there will be nowhere you'll find the complexity of any concept. Let's look at this. We have a triangle ABC. You just have your triangle. We have triangle A, B, C. And this triangle, we have angles here. Like this angle here, we have angle C or ACB to be 8x minus 5 minus 5. Then angle BAC is 5x plus 1. Then angle ABC, this one here, 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4. So have a look at this. Have a look at it. Then you are asked to find angle ACB. Find, find angle ACB. ACB. That way. Where do we start? Where do we start? The first statement. We know very well that the angle sum of a triangle, the angle sum of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So meaning that if we add this angle plus this angle plus this angle, we shall get 180 degrees. With that knowledge, you will get the value of x. After getting the value of x, substitute. After substituting, you'll get the size of each angle. So let's go. We have 5, this angle here, 5x plus 1, add to this angle, add to that angle, 8x minus 5, add to this angle, 2x plus 4, this should give you 180 degrees. Now look, collect the like terms. The unknowns, that is the x's, you'll find we have positive x here, we have positive 8x here, then we need to have addition here. We have positive 2x here. Put them together. That is now 5x plus 8x plus 2x. Then to the right side, we can put the knowns, 180 degrees. This plus 1, this plus 1 will come this side minus 1. This minus 5 will come that side to be plus 5. This plus 4 will come that side to be minus 4. In our introduction of algebra, we said we do the opposite. For us to do away with this positive one, this side to go the other side, do the opposite, which is subtraction. So we subtract it here. Now, continue with your working. 5x plus 8x, you get 13x. 13x plus 2x, you'll get 15x. 180 minus 1, you'll get 179. 179 plus 5, you get 184. 184 minus 4, you'll get 180. So you can see this one here, we have 180 remaining. Then how do we get the value of x? Like I've said, between 15 and x, there's multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So do the division here. And what you do this side, do it the other side. Do it the other side. So 15 will cancel 15. A number is divisible by 5 when the last digit is 0 or 5. Remember the first lessons we started with where we were doing the divisibility test. So we can try. We can divide even by 3 here. But let's go with, if you go with 5, 3, 5 goes here, 3 because of 15, 3 into that is 5 goes here 3 times 15, 36 times. So 3 goes here once, 3 goes here 12. So our x, the value of x is equal to 12 degrees. 12 degrees. This is the value of x. We have just got the value of x. Now, come and substitute. And now, because of time, go direct to the point. You are asked to find the size of angle ACB. Always, my learner, if you are told ACB, ACB, the angle is always the one at the center. That's the angle you're asked. So ACB. So we have been asked this angle here. So here we have 8x, which is 8 times our x is 12. Then minus 5. With that one now, you see, you get the size of this angle. Now, 8 times 12, you can work it out like this. 12 times 8, you'll get 96. 96 minus 5, you'll get, this one is 1, you'll get here 91. So this angle here, this one will give us 91 degrees. And that's how you'll get your beautiful tick. My learners, look at how mathematics is easy. I know you have been struggling to answer questions of this kind, but with the correct knowledge of algebra, it will be as easy as ABC. So with the Mwalimu John, there's nothing hard in mathematics. Please keep following my lessons. I've dropped a lot of videos there. Don't miss them out. I want to make life easy and enjoyable for you. This field of mathematics, we must all enjoy. Have a beautiful moment and enjoy your time. Bye.